Okay, friends. Today, what we are going to see is a person. I don't know his name, but I was very admired by this story. There was a person, no, is in the world in which what happened is that there is a theorem called Buckingham pi theorem in fluid mechanics. It is a very versatile theorem. So what happens itself for dimensional analysis? You just plug on the values and you get you can check the formulas and you can create a formula. But what happens? It is limited to some extent. But when America did a bomb blast, seriya, okay, it did a bomb blast. What happened is that they just did this bomb blast and this bomb was blasting in the mid of some desert. And what happened is that they were very proud that nobody can find its amount of uranium they were using. And what happened is that person, no, so E is equal to mc squared. Energy and mass are the same. So what happened itself, a person seeing the photo found the amount of substance, amount of material used in the bomb, okay, uranium or something. So what happened itself, the radius of the bomb blast wave, and t is the time, which is 0.025 seconds, and rho is the density of the air, and E is the energy. So he was plugging this into the Buckingham pi theorem, and you have to understand that this is not f into, okay, this is f of, it is a function. Then what after that, what happened itself, you equate this to c, and this c, okay, this c, the range between, surprising the values found range between, okay, C must be obtained through experiment or by using physical model. I don't know what is a physical model, but it is nearly to the computation or some experimentation. Okay. So what happened is that it should be obtained within 0.9 to 1.1. And when we plug in the values, the radius of the bomb blast was just seeing the photo. He was just seeing the photo 130 and density of the air and all those things. He found that 17.1 kilotons of TNT were used, and they were really shocked. Okay, so this is the story that how a person seeing a photo become a scientist. Okay, just by seeing a photo you can put a formula. Okay, it was a very big thing, and I went through some research on this, and I was I found that in some papers they have written that this should be determined by experimentation or computation. But in here what they are telling is, it should be determined by experimentation or some physical model. Okay, it could be some computer simulation to find that C value. But even in here, no, in Wikipedia, what happens is that they are equating this to C, and to find the C, they are saying that it requires more physical insight or experiment to show that indeed only 1 0, and that constant is in fact C is equal to 4 pi squared. Okay, so you have to find the value of C. When you get this thing, no, so the C should be uh, found by physical model or by computation, or physical model computation, or what to say, physical model computation, or experimentation. Okay, so this is the only way. When just by seeing a photo the person became a scientist, I found the formula for thing. Okay, and what happened is that even in the Neptel's book they are given that it should be only found by, not, they are not telling only found by experiment, because they have found the formula just by equating the numbers, putting a dimensional analysis on that, and what happens is that it should be found only by experiment. Okay, so I will give you all these metals, you go through. So this is how a person became a scientist, just by seeing a photo. Okay, thank you. Be not a scientist, he actually invented a theory. Okay, thank you.